Hey Sketchlab friends, are you ready to power up your drawing skills today? Today we're going to be drawing a Nintendo Game Boy. So we're going to break this drawing down into basic shapes, and we're going to draw a large rectangle for the shape of the Game Boy. So I made 2 dots to determine the width, and then now I'm going to connect those dots. So when you draw this rectangle, make sure it's taller than it is wide. It's going to be a little bit taller than it is wide. So vertical line down. And this is called a horizontal line. Now we're going to draw the screen. I want you to pay attention to the size and the placement of this rectangle. Let's try to get the size and the placement correct. This is very important when drawing with shapes. So these are basic shapes. We want to make sure that we draw the size of these shapes correct, the best we can. You can see the screen goes down to about the halfway point of this larger rectangle. And now we're going to draw another rectangle a bit smaller inside of this one. So those are called vertical lines, 2 vertical lines like the number 1. And then these are called horizontal lines that are going to go across. All right, fantastic. Looks like we have Pac-Man on our Game Boy today. So this is the directional pad, and you can see it looks like a plus sign. So I'm going to pencil in a rectangle, which is vertical rectangle. And then I'm going to draw another rectangle. This one would be horizontal. So I'm building the plus sign with 2 rectangles. Remember I said we're building with shapes today. Okay, these are the action buttons. We're going to draw 2 circles. Let's try to make sure that they're about the same size. And this one's a little bit of a diagonal. We're almost there, guys. So now we can see 2 ovals. These are more cucumber-shaped ovals. And with the pencil, I'm going to draw a diagonal line across. And then we're going to use these diagonal lines here. And this is the speaker, where the speaker is. We have Pokemon on the screen now. So the Game Boy was struggling until, well, it started off selling 180 million of these little handheld devices. But eventually it started to die out, and Pokemon Red and Blue saved the Game Boy Advanced. Just gonna clean up my drawing. And then we're gonna add some eyes onto this little Game Boy. So we're gonna draw 2 circles. I'm going to try to make sure this one's about the same size. going to go ahead and draw another circle. This is going to be a white dot inside of the eye. So what do you guys think about the little animations today? We had Pac-Man, which was one of the most popular arcade games. When video games first came out, Pac-Man was probably one of the most popular video games. And obviously we have Pokemon, super popular. And like I said, Pokemon Red and Blue was on the Game Boy that we're drawing today. Draw a little smiley face. Awesome job, Sketch Lab artists. You just level up your drawing skills with this classic Nintendo Game Boy. If you want to keep having fun, check out my Easy Draw series for more simple and fun tutorials. And if you're ready to take it to the next level, try the 3D draw version to make your own art pop off the page.